In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT Projects for beginners. First, sign into ChatGPT and click Projects in the left sidebar. Next, click Create Project and enter a name for your project. Once your project is created, open it and start organizing your work. You can upload files such as PDFs, documents, and spreadsheets by clicking Add Files. ChatGPT can use these files as context when helping you inside the project. Next, add project instructions if you want ChatGPT to follow specific guidelines, such as a preferred writing style, format, or goal. After that, click New Chat to start working inside the project. Any chats you create here will have access to the files and instructions you've added, making your workflow much more organized. Finally, continue adding new chats and files as needed, and return to the project anytime to pick up where you left off. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use ChatGPT Projects for beginners. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.